Hello, and I'm Pokedad654. This is my special gaming room that I just set up, and I think it's really cool. This game chair mod and the laptop and stuff, it's really cool. But today we are going to make the Backrooms in Minecraft. Alright, so anyways, let's look into the magic laptop and see where we're going. So, you'll need 4 things: brown concrete powder, bamboo blocks, then sandstone, smooth sandstone, and yellow frog lights. So that's basically all you're gonna need, and maybe that pig over there. But anyways, I'm going to speed up this next part for building, alright? I have stopped here because I wanted to tell you guys that first of all, we need just put any sizes of obstacles where you want. And second of all, by the time that I record my voice over this video, I had found out that actually do not use brown concrete, use path block. Alright? But anyways, that's where it's going. Put the bamboo blocks here. The bamboo blocks. And so just put any kind of obstacles where you want. And once you're finished with obstacles, you gotta put one more special touch to the backrooms. A monster. Most people would use wardens, but I'm using something especially terrifying. a pig. And not just any pig, a special pig that needs a name. Let's see, get a name tag. Then get a, what's it called? The thing that enables you a name? Oh, right, anvil. Anvil. And then let's place the anvil down and name our pig. Something scary. How about no, not pig. Night swine, maybe? Like nightmare and night swine? I guess that works. Yeah, it works pretty well. Alright, and then let's see. Actually, no. Night swine just isn't scary enough. How about Frankenswine? Frankenswine, because I recently watched the Frankenstein movie, and it's actually a pretty good movie, even though it's like ridiculously old. Alright, Frankenstein. He's our Backrooms monster. Now, Frankenstein's here. So, you're in this dark corridor. How do you get out? And then you see it. It's Frankenswine. You gotta run away. Oh no. He's coming after you. He's gonna get... Ah, no. It's Frankenstein. You're weird. Anyways, I think that might be all for today. Actually, there is one final thing that I gotta tell you guys. Not gonna tell you yet, but there is one more thing that you can do to make your backrooms extra scary for the person who's playing in them. Put a disc with Samuel Alberg 5 in a jukebox that's right underneath the floor. That will definitely creep out any trespassers. Right, make sure the pig doesn't get here. Alright, put Samuel Alberg in there. Alright, that's pretty creepy stuff. Oh no, it's Frankenswine. Oh no, it's Frankenswine. Well, anyways, I hope that you liked this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe. If you didn't, well, maybe Frankenswine will deal with you.